Here, enter the URL of the reference image, then enter the image prompt and then the negative prompt. Choose the style of the output image from the options available and then tweak some settings and then click on the generate button. Wait for a minute to go. An amazing image that resembles the reference image but follows the prompt and style provided. Now let's come to the coding part. First, import the Streamlit and Gradio modules. Then set the title and icon of the page and then a little code to remove the branding of Streamlit. Now let's create a new function called as main. Here, let's set the title and description of the page, then create the Streamlit sidebar element. Then the expander element that shows how to get the image URL. And let's code all the required input elements. Now create the button called as generate, which when clicked called the Gradio client API, which will return the output image using the given input. And finally, this code is to get the output image and then show it in the UI. Code link in the description. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos just like this one.